This morning, we're going duck hunting. We're hoping for a limit of quick ducks, and I'm hungry for ducks. I love to eat ducks. I just don't have a lot of time to duck hunt right now because I'm obsessed with deer hunting mostly. Okay, so far, not a lot of ducks flying. Got a 2 for 2 in the air, and I missed one swatting it on the pond. And I think there's a few more back here. Bruce is down below. You're a little shooting, so you might have a couple. See if I can get an action shot. I'm slightly impatient, so I'm going to see if I can sneak up on a couple of these ducks. First day of duck hunting for me. 2 nice wood ducks. Had a chance at least one. Kind of blew it by being impatient as usual. But well, that's a beautiful morning. I'm gonna pluck a couple ducks and wait one more minute for my last duck. Well, one duck short of a limit. That's all right. Beautiful, beautiful morning. Gonna have to do a panorama here, and I had my chance at my 3, so that's all you can ask for. Duck hunting day is not over. A couple obligations I had for Sunday got canceled, so I'm hunting all day. But I think I hear some geese over there somewhere. I thought I did, so I think I'm gonna see if I can get a goose today. I'm gonna run. Let's go. Okay, there's a couple big fat geese down here. I don't know if I can get to them. I know it's a fool's errand. I gotta get down the hill, pretty exposed. There's other ducks in the pond to spook. And if I get close, how am I gonna get them? I shoot them. So the whole thing, I don't even think I'm going to be able to get down there, so I don't think it's going to be an issue. Okay, I got pretty close. From here, I just have to be super patient, inch my way into this grass. The closer I get, the better chance I have. Damn it. Not close enough. Shit. Close. God, I thought I had one of those. Dang it. Now all I am is wet, so I'm gonna just keep walking. Dang it. God, I just blew it again. This was even a better opportunity. A bunch of geese got up and I was looking at some wolf tracks and they actually came right upriver towards me. I had a decent shot. I rocked one and I only had one shell in my gun. Tough luck. A lot of energy. All I am is wet and tired. But I still think it was the best use of my time. Good chance at a couple of geese. Chances of seeing a deer right now are pretty slim. But not impossible. It's probably 12:30, 1 o'clock. Figure out what I'm going to do the rest of the day, but I think I'm done duck hunting, so this short is over. Got 2 cracks at geese. I should have had one, so I'm disappointed. But now, it's pretty much, I think, going to be the rest of the day deer hunting. I'm pretty determined today. beautiful night. Finally have my bow in my hand. Really want to see a deer now. Really want to see a deer. Whew. Wow, I ended up spending all day out there. Deer busted me getting out of the stand at 5, and I was planning on going home. That made me a little mad, so I decided to sit in the stand closer to the car. It wasn't too long where I got a bad cramp, stretched it out. Deer busted me then, so I was frustrated. That deer came back, or a deer came back soon after that. Took a while to play out, but I didn't have a great shot, but I had a pretty good one. I shot at it and I missed it. And then right at dark, a smaller doe came out, and it was right under my stand. I mean, I was wanting it to probably for 10 minutes. I finally took a shot. No sighting, anything, just took a shot. Deer number 2. Let's go get that deer.